My name is Teresa. I'm a substitute teacher in California, and I am a DACA recipient. I am a participant of the California-Mexico Dreamer Study Abroad program. What does Study Abroad program mean to me? It means opportunity. The Study Abroad program will give me the opportunity to learn about my culture. It will allow me to meet the family I have not met. It will empower me to take pride in my bicultural experience. And most importantly, it will refuel my spirits and ambitions to be able to continue helping and encouraging other DACA students. Unfortunately, the Advance Parole has changed in many ways with this administration. This is why I'm here today. I urge my community, my representative, my senator, to please share this video. Contact Congress. It is up to us to make a difference. We can do this together.